Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to go with my son to a dog park, private dog park, and I would like to bring you guys along with me. So let's go. Okay. This is a beautiful place. God has given us such good things. Sometimes we take it for granted. Loki! Loki! Hey, Loki! Freya! Freya ignoring me totally. She's having fun. it probably was in my mind because I was just here sitting and thinking, like, even if it's just where this, you know, even if it's just there, this whole part here in the house, behind, like there, I would be good. It don't have to be all, you know. It just this will work for me. You can put at least 2, maybe even 3 houses. There you go with that. It will work better.
Like this little section
Yeah, that would even be better if everybody get a trailer. Even if it was just here and all of you had trailer homes, you know, this would work.
Yeah, and make it like build around the trailer home with a huge deck.
And you just gotta figure out the bathroom part. But I mean, you can build a
Get a
bathroom.
trailer home and turn it into a bathroom.
I know, but I mean, like the well.
Oh yeah.
You got a well. You gotta be close to a well. But if not, you gotta dig wells and be back in the day, like how I grew up in the country. We had to build outside toilet. But you can connect it, huh?
That might be a boundary. Maybe we could get something from it. This is
You really dog
see
it?
it because all the guys here, but this little part is not it.
I coming up and burn down.
Right? So it's like, hey, you wanna
That piece there look like it burned down like somehow. Yeah.
bind them? So here we just a picture.
There you go and you can go and then you can let me
It's
know.
already a 1-story. Bungalow done.
But if you get all in here, you can still put like 1 or 2 trailers somehow.
There was a roof on there. That's why it's part down.
Yeah. It looked like it burned like from there. It looked like it.
Yeah, and they have to rip off.
Yeah. Anyhow, maybe they turn it into wood or something. And look, even an old car is over here. What's this? 2. A little truck and a car. Bye bye.
Pick up toys, pick up food, pick up trash, leave our home.
Well, they made everything available. Like, come on, you can at least do that.
Right?
They even got first aid.
Oh,
Even first aid. Lights.
Oh, they got toys. I didn't see that they had toys.
You want toys?
Yeah, see what it will do. Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they can play with this. So if you had 3 of these, you put 1 outside. Go get it. Bring it. They're not really dog toys. I mean, my dogs don't really play with toys. I use this toy toys. I don't really buy it for them. Or I usually don't.
We're gonna bring the toys back here. You lazy dogs.
You guys tired? Yeah, you guys tired.
I'm not used to all of this.
Lay down if you're tired, man. I figured that always would have been definitely too long.
Oh my gosh, look at that. What's the kind of thing you call that? A jet? Yeah. Look, you say, I am a man. Look at what I got down here. I am a man, right? I am a man.
The man is sitting for it.
good bath with nurses. So you just get these holes, hold them, slope them down, and then let them go. Oh, there's a helicopter now. Chasing all these, there's a lot of little birds out here though. To look for a place like this. Space. It's good to have a lot of space. And the oxygen should be better over here for sure. But I think that this is a lot better for people that have some mental illness. Yeah, I think something like this would be a lot better. Just my thoughts. Thank you guys for coming along with me on this journey. It was great to have you guys along with me. Maybe I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.